Alright, you're on.
Hey everybody, it's Dave. I've got a new addition of my David Bradley collection, which is a chainsaw. I have about 20 walk-behind tractors and a lot of other old stuff, but um, I haven't had a chainsaw yet. And yesterday at the Pageant of Steam, I found a David Bradley chainsaw. It didn't run, and so therefore I bought it. About half the price of what the guy wanted, but I'll give you a little look at it here. I don't know what year it is, but obviously it's a David Bradley. Weighs about 150 pounds, it feels like. It does not have a rewind on it anymore. I have to wrap a rope on it to start it, but it does look like it had a rewind. And obviously the oil for the bar, fuel, and a nice pump here, brass nut, all steel hardware. I don't know, that may even be brass. I haven't cleaned it up yet, but going to the bar oiler. And unlike the newer Poulan chainsaws, say that you put bar oil in it and it runs all over your garage floor or the passenger side of your pickup. This one doesn't appear to leak anything at all. And I believe it's a model 360, if that focuses in. Supposedly runs at any angle and so forth. It's a gear driven, and whatever tags and so forth that are on it, it has the David Bradley tag here, and it's kind of neat. It starts with a 917 number, which I know all of my walk behind tractors do. And but it's a very, very heavy saw. I haven't measured the bar yet. Probably somewhere around 18 inches. And somebody has turned the bar over. It's an actual David Bradley bar. I don't know if you can read that. I can, so I assume you can. But it didn't run, didn't have any spark. And actually it wasn't getting any gas for a while, even after I had spark. And at that point I read this one tag over here that told you how to mix the fuel, which it's not a regular 2-cycle mix. And anyway, I was reading that, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a screw right there that is actually the fuel shutoff. And after I had spark, I was real excited about getting it running, and didn't actually open that screw for the fuel shutoff, so I wasn't getting any fuel for a while, but now I am. And my battery appears like it's going to run out, so I'm going to try to get this thing started. And it's not running up to full song, but for the age of the thing, I'm glad that it's even running. Alright, so I just picked up a Poulan chainsaw. Probably isn't over 2 years old. Didn't run, guy gave it to me. And I've gotten that running now, and it runs pretty good at full song, but it won't sit there and idle like this thing. So I still got some more work to do on that, but just thought I'd make a video. Pretty excited about getting this old girl going again. So thanks for watching. See ya.